In today's session, we will walk you through how to enable SSH on a Cisco switch to ensure secure remote access. This tutorial is perfect for networking students and professionals who want to enhance their switch configuration skills. Let's dive in. Enable. Configure terminal. Hostname SSH_switch. IP domain name mindwork.local. Username admin privilege 15 secret password 123. Crypto key generate RSA. Line VTY 015. Transport input SSH. Login local. Exit. IP SSH version 2. Do show IP SSH. Interface VLAN 1. IP address 192.168.1.1255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Exit. Assign IP address to the PC. Go to desktop.